Hey, what's up, guys? This is actually the pickups of my old guitar. This is my first guitar, and I'll be restoring it. I'll be adding the old switches that it had, and I actually put a kill switch here because I'm a big fan of Rage Against the Machine. But right now I'll be putting it back to the first setting. By the way, for our tools, of course, we need a soldering iron, some wires, the switches, and of course the soldering lead. It's summer. I'm sweating like a waterfall. So this is the diagram that I'll be following to reinstall the switches. Stay tuned. There you have it, folks. I've already installed the switches. So there's gonna be a switch in each of the pickups. So I will have a lot of combinations of the tone. And special shout out to the Powerpuff Up Girls sticker out there beside Rage Against the Machine. Okay, yeah, my nephew put it in, so just leave it there. So this is the first part of the restoration of my guitar. In the next video, I'll be taking a video while I'm repairing the body. Okay, have a good day.